Welcome back to our Mediterranean feast. In part 2 of our series, we're diving into 5 more simple and delicious Mediterranean diet recipes. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned chef, these dishes are perfect for adding a splash of Mediterranean flair to your meals. So grab your apron and let's get cooking with flavors that will transport you straight to the sunny shores of the Mediterranean. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with our culinary journey. This Fattoush salad recipe combines the freshness of mixed greens and vegetables with the crunch of toasted pita, all brought together with a zesty lemon sumac dressing. Ingredients: mixed greens, such as romaine, arugula, or lettuce; fresh vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, radishes, and bell peppers, chopped; 1-2 pita breads, cut into pieces and toasted until crispy; 1/4 cup olive oil; 2 tablespoons lemon juice; 1 teaspoon sumac; 1 small garlic clove, minced; salt and pepper to taste; fresh herbs, such as parsley, mint, or cilantro, chopped. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the mixed greens and chopped fresh vegetables. Cut the pita bread into small pieces and toast them in the oven or a pan until crispy. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, sumac, minced garlic, salt, and pepper to create the dressing. Add the crispy pita pieces to the bowl of mixed greens and vegetables. Drizzle the lemon sumac dressing over the salad and toss everything well to coat. Sprinkle chopped fresh herbs over the salad before serving. Toss lightly and enjoy. Roasted chickpeas are not only delicious, but also offer a great source of protein and fiber, making them a healthy snack option. Adjust the spices to suit your taste and enjoy your crispy, flavorful roasted chickpeas. Ingredients: 2 cans, 15 ounces each. Chickpeas, drained, rinsed, and dried. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees F, 200 degrees C. After rinsing, lay the chickpeas out on a towel and pat them dry. Removing as much moisture as possible helps them get crispy when roasted. In a bowl, toss the chickpeas with olive oil, cumin, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper until evenly coated. Spread the chickpeas out in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast in the oven for 20-30 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Shake the pan or stir the chickpeas halfway through to ensure even roasting. Let the chickpeas cool slightly before serving. They can be enjoyed warm or at room temperature as a snack or salad topping. Indulge in the symphony of flavors with grilled figs with goat cheese and balsamic glaze. This delectable dish pairs the natural sweetness of fresh figs, grilled to warm, caramelized perfection, with the creamy tang of goat cheese. Ingredients: fresh figs, halved; goat cheese, crumbled; balsamic glaze; chopped walnuts; olive oil for grilling. Instructions: cut the fresh figs in half. Heat a grill or grill pan over medium heat. Lightly brush the cut side of the figs with olive oil. Place the figs cut side down on the grill and cook until they are warm and have caramelized grill marks, about 2-3 minutes. While the figs are grilling, crumble the goat cheese and chop the walnuts if not already done. Remove the figs from the grill and place them on a serving dish, cut side up. Top each fig half with crumbled goat cheese, a drizzle of balsamic glaze, and a sprinkle of chopped walnuts. Serve the grilled figs immediately while warm, allowing the cheese to soften slightly from the heat of the figs. Enjoy as a delicious appetizer or dessert. Grilled halloumi cheese is a delicious and simple dish, perfect as a starter, snack, or addition to salads and other Mediterranean dishes. Its unique texture and salty flavor make it a favorite in many cuisines. Ingredients: 1 block halloumi cheese, about 8 oz, 1-2 tablespoons olive oil, lemon wedges for serving. Optional: fresh herbs like mint or oregano, chili flakes, or black pepper for garnish. Instructions: heat your grill pan, or non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Slice the halloumi cheese into 1 to 2 inch thick slices. Lightly brush each slice of halloumi with olive oil. This step is optional as halloumi has a high fat content that helps prevent sticking. Place the halloumi slices on the grill or pan. Grill for about 2-3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and grill marks appear. Remove the halloumi from the grill and serve immediately with lemon wedges on the side. Squeeze the lemon juice over the cheese to add a tangy flavor. Enjoy! Enjoy this simple, flavorful salad that captures the essence of Mediterranean cuisine with its combination of fresh, high-quality ingredients. Ingredients: watermelon, cubed; feta cheese, crumbled; fresh mint leaves; balsamic glaze. Instructions: Cube the watermelon into bite-sized pieces and crumble the feta cheese. In a large serving bowl, combine the cubed watermelon and crumbled feta cheese. Gently toss to mix. Just before serving, drizzle the salad with a balsamic glaze. This will add a rich, tangy flavor that enhances the overall taste of the dish. Serve the salad immediately, or chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing summer dish. It's perfect for picnics, barbecues, or as a light, healthy snack. And that wraps up part 2 of our Mediterranean recipe series. We hope you enjoyed discovering these 5 easy and tasty dishes that bring the essence of the Mediterranean right to your table. If you tried any of these recipes, we'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Stay tuned for more delicious adventures, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Happy cooking, and see you in the next part of our Mediterranean culinary journey.